In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blob background in Figma. This will only take about 5 minutes, so it's a quick and easy process to enhance your designs. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up Figma, the collaborative interface design tool many designers love. If you're not familiar with it, Figma is a powerful platform where you can design interfaces and collaborate with team members in real time. Once you're on the Figma website, the next step is to log into your account, so click on the login button. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first, but logging in is what most of you will do if you're already into Figma. Once inside, you'll be directed to the Figma homepage, where we can find all our projects, recent files, and options for starting new designs. What we're looking to do next is navigate over to the design section. Clicking on design will open up the creative space where we can start building our blob background. Now that you're in the design area, it's time to take action. You need to locate the action button. It's here that will initiate the process of creating our blob design. Think of this as your workspace control center, where you can set the parameters and tools needed for your current project. An efficient way to produce visually appealing blobs is to use a blob generator, which is exactly what we'll do next. Simply go up to the search bar within Figma's interface and type blob generator. This quick search will pull up any relevant plugins or tools you may need. By using a blob generator, you allow for quick creation of organic shapes that can easily be tailored to fit within your design aesthetic. Once you find the blob generator, simply click to open it. Plugins like this are incredibly useful, allowing you to automate some aspects of your design processes, saving time while maintaining a high level of creativity and customization. After launching the blob generator, it's time to make the magic happen. You should see an option labeled Run. Clicking this will activate the generator. As the generator runs, it will create random or customizable blob shapes right before your eyes. You'll see that these shapes can be adjusted in terms of complexity, color, and size, offering you a multitude of options to tailor your background to suit your needs. Keep adjusting until you find a style and shape that complements your design perfectly. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, using Figma and a blob generator, you've created a unique and dynamic blob background that can add a modern touch to any design. Thanks for following along, and happy designing.